Hello guys, welcome back to Intellect Insight. In today's video, we will see if you want to make money by trading products across borders, then Canada's import-export industry moves over 1 trillion every year. And today on Intellect Insight, I'll show you exactly how to claim your piece of it, even if you are starting from zero. By the end of this video, you will know the fastest selling products, legal must-dos, how to find buyers and suppliers without getting scammed, government grants that can fund your first 50,000 Canadian dollar in sales. So, what is import-export business? Let's first understand what importing and exporting means. Buying products from other countries and selling them in your home countries. In this case, let's assume Canada, which means importing. For example, buying electronics from China and selling them in Canada. Now let's understand exporting. Selling Canadian products to other countries. For example, selling Canadian maple syrup to the US or Europe. Now you might be wondering, why Canada? First, strong economy and trusted by global buyers. Second, free trade deals with countries like US, Mexico, Europe and Asia. Third, government help for new exporters. Now let's understand step-by-step startup process. Step 1. Pick a product popular items to import, such as electronics like phones, accessories, clothing and fashion, home goods, health supplements. Now let's see popular items to export, means what you can export. From Canada, if you consider as an example, maple syrup, seafood like lobster, salmon, natural beauty products, industrial equipment. Now how to choose? First, check demand. You can use tools like Google Trends, Amazon and eBay. Avoid restricted items like alcohol, weapons and certain foods. Never import or export such kind of restricted items. Step 2. Register your business. First, decide your business name and check if it's unique or not. Business structure. Then decide your business structure like sole proprietorship or corporation. Then get a business number from CRM. Register for GST and HST, which is needed for import exports. Step 3. Find suppliers or buyers. For importer, use Alibaba, global sources or trade shows to find suppliers. Order samples first to check quality. For exporters, use Canadian Trade Commissioner service to find buyers. Sell on Amazon Global, eBay or B2B websites. Step 4. Handle shipping and customs. There are lots of shipping options available nowadays, starting from air, which is fast but expensive, good for small and high value items. Then sea, which is slow and cheap, which is best for large shipments. Third is land, probably truck, for US and Mexico trade. Now let's understand customs and duties. Some products have extra taxes. Check CBSA website. Hire a customs broker if paperwork is confusing. Step 5. Get paid safely. Best payment methods: bank transfer, PayPal or letter of credit, which is also known as LC, which highly suitable for big orders. Third, costs and how to get funding. Startup cost 3,000 to 20,000 Canadian dollars depends on product. Now where to get money? So either if you have personal saving, then it's well and good, or you can go for small business loans, BDC or EDC. Government grants might help you. CanExport up to 50,000 Canadian dollar for marketing. Now you might be wondering how to grow your business. So online marketing. Use Instagram, LinkedIn or a simple website to promote your business. Trade shows like meet buyers in person like Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal. Customer service. Build trust for repeat sales. Common mistakes to avoid: not checking product quality first, ignoring custom rules, and pricing too low. Start small, test with a small order before scaling, learn as you go. Many successful traders started with just one product. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.